Welcome to Ms. Huong English class.
Grade 5, Global Success. Unit 1, All About Me. Topic, talk about yourself.
Hello, my name's Ken. What's your name?
Hello, Ken. I'm Tran. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Can you tell me about yourself?
I'm 10 years old. I live in Hue City. I study at Vida de Primary School. I'm in class 5.1. My birthday is in September.
What's your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is table tennis. What about you?
I like playing football. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is pink.
I like blue. What's your favorite animal?
It's a dolphin.
What's your favorite food?
It's a sandwich.
Goodbye. See you tomorrow.
Bye. See you soon.
Now your turn. Let's practice speaking with Ken.
Hello, my name's Ken. What's your name? Nice to meet you too. Can you tell me about yourself? What's your favorite sport? I like playing football. What's your favorite color? I like blue. What's your favorite animal? What's your favorite food?
Excellent! Watch this video once more and try to remember them. See you next time. Goodbye.